Hello and welcome to the third chapter in our QF test web tutorial. And in this chapter we are talking about how to write a procedure. Procedures are very helpful for making sequences reusable. That means that reusable parts are only defined at one position but can be used from different locations. And this is important for keeping your maintenance efforts low, so you don't have to maintain the same sequences at multiple positions, but you can do that just at one position. Procedures can be organized in so-called packages, so you can group procedures that belongs to the same part in your application in one package. So I will show you then how to identify reusable parts, how to create procedures in a manual way, and how to use the node transformation to create procedures. I again use the sample test suite we already know from the first two chapters. First, web tests located in our QF test distribution in the doc tutorial directory. And this test suite contains two test cases, first and second, and they have more or less identical parts, but there is one part, for instance the reset test step, that is fully identical. There are 3 mouse clicks that are used to get the demo application into a dedicated state at the beginning. So how to create a procedure? For this there is a node in every test suite called procedures, and there procedures can be created and maintained. So I select this procedures node and use the insert menu, procedure nodes, procedure, to create such a node, and I then can specify a name, and I call it reset and say OK, and then the procedure node is created. And to fill in the content what I want to have in my procedure, I select the 3 mouse clicks and move them down into the procedure node. Then, of course, I want to use this because I have removed the steps here. I need a replacement, so I can select here the reset test step and again use the insert menu, procedure nodes, procedure call. So here I could directly type in the name of my procedure, but there is also a chooser button here where I can directly see what procedures are available in my test suite. So I can select this procedure, say OK, then here the reset is inserted, and I press OK, and I have a procedure node, a procedure call here. So this call also shall be used in the second test case. For this I remove the mouse clicks and simply use copy paste. Here copy and paste to create my second procedure call. To verify this works as expected, I simply open my demo and select the reset test step, and when executing you can see it works. And you can also see that when reaching this procedure call node, it jumps down into the procedure and executes the step here. So with these execution markers you can see this. I will do it once again so you can see how the execution is done. Now it's time to show you the other way for creating procedures. For this I go back to my initial state, I reload the test suite so the changes are not there anymore. And the second way is to select the test step, press right mouse button and use transform node into procedure. And this directly creates a procedure call here to the automatically newly created reset procedure, which is directly moved down here and filled with the respective content of the test step node. So then I can also use this reset procedure in my second test case. For this, I again remove the mouse clicks, and I can also use drag and drop to create a procedure call here. So when dragging a procedure node from the procedures into my test cases, it's directly converted into a procedure call. Now I'm nearly done. There's one difference here I see. By using the first conversion, the test step has been converted, so it's not here anymore. So if I want to have the test step back, I could either create one new, or here I can simply use again copy paste, put that up here and remove this procedure call, and now I have the same setting as I had in my first example. So this is what I wanted to show you in this chapter, but we will have another look at procedures later on. Then I will show you how to use parameters with procedures and how to create more complex ones. But now have fun a little bit with that part of the procedures, and see you later. Bye bye.